Let's take a look at changing a percentage, a number expressed as a percentage, for example, 65%, to a decimal. Now, to do that, we take the percentage, we look at where the decimal place is currently positioned. In this case, it's always to the right of a number. It'll be right there, for example. And we're going to move it 2 spaces to the left. So we've got our numbers, 65%, and we're going to make that equal to, so we're going to have 65, decimal place over here. I'm going to move it 2 spaces, 2 spaces to the left. Here is now the new position, and I'll put a leading 0 in front. So 65% is 0.65. What about if I've got 2.7%? All right, same deal. We've got to 2.7. I'm going to move the decimal place 2 spaces to the left, 1, 2. This time we're moving it in mid-air, and there's going to be a 0 as a placeholder. There's the new position, and I'm going to place a leading 0 in front of it. So the new number is now 0.027. And there's our answer. What say we've got 0.29%? Let's change that. So that's going to equal, all right, 0.29, all right, over here, 0.29. And we're going to move the decimal place 2 spaces to the left. Here we go, 1, 2. Here's our new position. I'll put a 0 as a placeholder in the gap, put a leading 0 at the front. That decimal place is no longer current, and the answer is going to be 0.0029. Let's go the other way. Let's make it the number a bigger number. Let's go 592. So that's 592%. We're going to express that as a decimal. So we're going to write 592. Here is the current position of the decimal place. We're going to move it 2 spaces to the left, 1, 2, there it is, and we get 5.92. So the answer is 5.92. So this is how we change a percentage to a decimal, and as you can see, you can do it with a calculator or you can do it without. I encourage people to think, though, use their brains and try and move the decimal place around. It's probably a better way of doing it, but if you don't want to do that, a lot of exams will allow you to use the calculator instead. Not a problem. Go whatever is easiest for you and works best for your situation.